Hello everyone, welcome to Aeronauts. Today we will see an aeronautical related job notification in the Indian Army. So here there are vacancies for both men and women. So it's in the short service commission in the Indian Army. So in the technical department, so there are vacancies for 58 men and 29 women. But for aeronautical there are only 6 vacancies. So we can see what are those, and first we will see what are the eligibility education qualification required. So eligibility is basically one should have an engineering degree course, and those who are in the final year can also apply for this. But those whose exams get completed or completed by April 2022, they can apply for this. But those all those final year students whose final year semester will be scheduled after 1st April cannot be applied for this course. And so now we will see what are the vacancies and which and all department of aeronautical can apply for this aerospace related. So aeronautical, aerospace engineering, aircraft maintenance, aviation engineering and aviation engineering branches can apply for this, and there are totally of 5 vacancies, and this is basically for men. So SSC Tech for men. So there are also for mechanical, every branch vacancies have been left. So for women there are another set of vacancies, and for women there are 29 vacancies, and in the aeronautical related category there are only one vacancies. So those who are interested can apply for this. So now we will see how we have to apply for this one. So the another this PDF will be attached in the description box, so you can go through it. So they have given all the promotion criteria and rank you will be assigned, and what are the pay scales and many other things. Definitely pay scale will be higher since it's an army. So now next we will see how to apply for this. So you have to go into join Indian Army website, and next you have to, if you are new user, you have to first register for it. It will ask for Aadhaar card number, your name and many more, date of birth and many more things. So later on after registration you have to go to apply online. So you have to enter your basic detail, like it will ask for date of birth, and it will allow you to check the eligibility for which and all you are eligible to apply. And so on basis of that you can apply. It will come SSC Tech for men vacancies will come. You have to click apply online after choosing apply online. So now we will see what are for filling up the form. We will need Aadhaar card number, and then we will need our 10th marks, 12th marks, and later all the 10th mark sheet you have to upload, and later on all the semester marks you have to type in. If it's in CGPA you have to convert into marks and type in the documents. So now we will see how, on what basis these are shortlisted. So integrated HQ of MOD Army reserves the right to shortlist application and fix the cutoff percentage of marks on the basis of engineering discipline. They will decide what is cutoff percentage, and there is no one to ask for them. So it's basically on the hands of Indian Army. So central allotment is the candidates can choose their own SSB center if they are shortlisted. So shortlisted candidates will be allowed to interview at only one of these 4 centers, which are Allahabad, Bhopal, Bengaluru, and Kapurthala. So later on, this SSB will go in 2 stages. Many of you might have already got into many of the army vacancies. Means so you might have known what is SSB, how it goes. It happens in stage 1 and 2. So after you pass stage 2, you will be sent to a medical examination to prove yourself fit. So these are main things, and the online application has started from 20th September. It will end at 27th October. So you can apply, still a lot of days or 15 days more are there for this. Hope many of you will get selected. It's a brilliant opportunity. Thank you. Please apply. So I will tell you how to apply. When you enter into join Indian Army website, this website link will be given. So when you go into home section, there is officers entry here. So you click on view all. So after it gets loaded, you have to first register yourself if you are not registered to it. So after this you have to register yourself, and all the basic details, Aadhaar card number, everything will be verified. And later on after registration you have to come back and you have to press on apply online. So here your basic details, your qualification, everything you have to enter, and then you have to click on check eligibility. So in check eligibility, there will be a notification related SSC Tech Men notification. So there will be box here for apply online. So you can click on apply online, and you can start filling up the application, and later on you have to click on submit the application. So that's it on how to apply this one. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos and more updates on jobs.